Namaskaram. We had left Mahabharatam just after the tragic death of Parikshit, and immediately or soon after, Parikshit's son Janamejaya, when he heard about what exactly happened, how Parikshit was bitten by Takshaka, though there was an attempt by sage Kashyapa to save the king. Takshaka intervened, persuaded the Brahmin to go back, giving him valuable gifts. When Parikshit Janamejaya heard about that, he was very angry against Takshaka. Takshaka had evil intentions. If it was just a question of obeying the curse, he could have bitten and let Astika do his work. So he consulted his ministers and the Brahmins in the palace about a possible revenge, and they consulted among themselves and came up with a yajna, a sarpa yajna, which was done in the past in the stories, and they made, as Janamejaya asked them to do, they made elaborate arrangements, and they started a big havan, a big altar in which fire was burning, and they were pouring ghee into that, and with chanting mantras all the time. And in between, if there is a particular serpent, very powerful, which was not coming, they would do the avahan. Avahan is a mantra which has double effect. And so many hundreds of them were falling. And Vasuki also started feeling the pull from the yajna. His eyes were burning, his body was being pulled. So he asked his sister Jaralkaru to go to her son and ask him to come soon to stop the yajna. So Jaralkaru met her son Astika, and Astika soon came. And he was stopped at the gate, which was very close to the altar. So standing there, he started praising the yajna and also the king and all those eminent sages who were conducting it. He said something like, the yajna conducted by Soma and Varuna and the one performed by Brahma himself in Prayaga. O King Janamejaya, your yajna is comparable to those. Let your yajna prosper. He used the word swasti. And then, it goes into several verses. And then he went to another yajna conducted by Yudhishthira himself. They are not all sarpa yajna. They were normal yajnas. Ashwamedha yajna, Rajasuya yajna, like that. Then performed by Yudhishthira, Sri Krishna, Vedavyasa, Dilipa. He was a predecessor of Raghu and Sri Rama. Dilipa, Yayati, we have come across by all such great kings. Hearing these praises and by the well-wishers, when he was saying Swasti, Swasti, Janamejaya thought, oh, there is a great sage, a learned person who is coming to bless the yajna. So he asked the gatekeepers to let him through. And praising the yajna, Astika slowly approached the altar. And Janamejaya asked him, who are you? What is your mission? Whatever it is that you want, I am willing to, I promise you that I shall definitely satisfy your need. It's a custom to gift great sages who come on such religious occasions, to gift them with whatever they ask for. And then it was then that Janamejaya was asking the sages, why? I don't see Takshaka. The whole yajna is for Takshaka, but he hasn't come. What's happening? You make special effort. So they were doing avahan for Takshaka, pronouncing the name of Takshaka. They were doing avahayami, om avahayami, like that. And then that pull was double on Takshaka. He couldn't, but he getting dragged. And at that time he had hidden under the Angavastra of, what is it called, Indra, because Indra was his friend. And so the Avahana was pulling Indra along with Takshaka. And then Devendra got frightened. He left Takshaka and he went back to heaven to save his king. And then Takshaka was from above. He was about to fall into the altar. It was then Janamejaya asked his wishes to Astika. Then Astika said, if that is your offer, then let this yajna be stopped now, right now. And that was a shock. Janamejaya, it was a revenge for him, and with all his mind, he was intent on catching Takshaka. And Takshaka hadn't come yet. So Janamejaya tried to dissuade Astika by saying, well, why you ask for this? I shall give you as much wealth, gold, jewelry, silver, whatever you ask for, land, but not, in place of this. He didn't say, I wouldn't give this. Astika said, no, I don't need anything else. I will be happy if you grant me this wish. You stop the yajna right now. So Astika had no way. He asked the Ritviks to stop. And Takshaka was saved. So before Takshaka was offered, the yajna was stopped. With this, the Paviloma Parvam, we had gone to the end of Adi Parva. And because we had left this important Paviloma Parva behind, we came back to it. Now we have completed it. We are going back to the where we have left it. If there is time, I had an idea to read this stuti, this praise of Astika, at least, yeah. It is in Malayalam. I hope many of you are with the Malayalam background. So let me read it the way he praised. Somanda yajnam, varunanda yajnam, prayagatil brahmadevanda yajnam, amatti nini yajnavum mannavendra parikshita Swastiyagin Priyartham. That is the meaning I explained in English. Then Shakranda Etyam Nuru Pole Nuchullu 100 Yajnas by Shakra Devendra. Chollunda Devidham Nuru Nuranda Etyam Amatti Ninyajnavum Navindra Parikshita Swastiyagin Priyartham. Similarly, Indra performed 100 yajnas, and this one you are performing is like those. Yamandayajnam, Harimedhandayajnam, Bhumishanam, Rentidevandayajnam, Amatti Ninyajnavum, Manavendra, Parikshita, Swastiyagin Priyartham. Like that, it goes 2 pages, some 20 verses. And anyway, Janamejaya was pleased. He offered a boon to Astika. Astika wanted that yajna to stop, and with that, this Sarpa yajna was stopped in between. Takshaka was saved, and with that we come to the end of Pauloma Parva. There is one small Parva called Paushika Parva, Paushya Parva, which I had left. Again, let us proceed with the Mahabharata story. We shall come back to that. It is a very small, maybe a couple of days. And its significance is that it has some significance with this Sarpa yajna. That is why we have to go back to that. So, we stop here today. After Adi Parvam, we have go to the Sabha Parvam, which is at the end of the Khandavadaha Parvam, which we had gone through. Maya, that architect of the Asuras, was saved by Arjuna. When Maya appealed to Arjuna, Arjuna saved him. So, in return, he offered to build a sabha. We'll continue with that next day. And when that is over, maybe we come back to this Paushya Parva. So, today we stop. Namaskaram.